What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Making the Dean's List. It is the 16th day of the month. And if you read Proverb 16 and slow your mind down to how you can connect it to your business, the beginning of the chapter talks a lot about a prideful heart. But it also says, although they will gather together. So I know I've talked a little bit about being prideful, and we all need to be mindful that it's the Lord's works at hand. But just be warned that groups can get together. You can not think you're being prideful because you're around a bunch of prideful people. So be concerned about always the people you keep around you. Make sure they're good influence to you so that you can be a good influence in your business. All right, hope this helps. Hey, let's have a blessed week, a blessed day, a blessed week, and hey, have a good month too.